Hi and welcome to Eden's Commune AI News. I'm Kenneth. A lot has been happening over at Commune AI lately, and today we're going to look at some of those updates. Let's get to it. Now, it's funny how often we mention this team, but they just keep blazing the trail. Commune AI is behind the new subnet 3, Synthia, and Synthia is really interesting. Synthia is designed to harness the power of decentralized incentives to generate high-quality training data. Now, it does this by utilizing the state-of-the-art Anthropic Claude 3 API. Synthia specializes in producing diverse and in-depth explanations of complex subjects drawn from the Opus latent space. Now, this includes content tailored for various levels of detail and abstraction, aiming to meet the needs of a really broad audience. The subnet is now operational and it's already making an impressive progress. In just a short time, it has generated over 33,000 explanations, with about 1,500 new entries being added every hour. And that rate is only expected to grow. Now, for those interested in participating, whether as miners or validators, Synthia offers a permissionless mining market. Now, this is a fantastic opportunity to contribute and to benefit from the AI revolution. Thanks to the substantial stake moved from ComSwap to kickstart the Synthia Subnet, early miners are set to receive significant rewards. Now, we are really excited to see how Synthia will accelerate the innovation in the Commune AI community, and we will keep you updated on every step of the way. Now, Commune AI has introduced a new pivotal proposal that just got accepted, and this proposal could reshape our whole incentive mechanisms within the Commune AI network. Now, here is why every single vote counts. This proposal introduces several essential changes: a new floor for founder emission shares set to 8%, a DAO treasury to bolster our community-driven projects, an enhanced control over subnet parameters to ensure optimal operation. Now, one significant amendment is raising the founder share of Subnet 0 to 12%. This aligns more closely with the rewards distributed across other subnets, ensuring fairness and stability across the whole platform. Additionally, registration costs are set to increase, reducing the frequency of new registrations and enhancing the value of our Commune AI tokens. Now, this move is designed to stimulate a more robust, deliberate engagement from our community. The potential impact of these changes are vast, not just for the current users, but for the whole future of decentralized AI development. Now, that is why your voice matters. Visit the proposal site, understand the full implications of all the proposals, and cast your vote. This is your chance to help shape the future of Commune AI. Comchat just rolled out some nice updates. A brand new landing page, it's sleeker, more engaging, and it's designed to help you find exactly what you need with ease. But not just stopping at aesthetic updates. There's also been comprehensive updates to the documentation. Now, if you're curious to see these changes yourself, the link to both the new landing page and the updated documentation is in the description below. Make sure you check them out. Now, as recently showcased in this Build and Stake event, Comstats has been working on a bridge between Commune AI and Solana, the ComSolBridge. Now, the bridge has been undergoing its testnet phase over the last couple of weeks, and as of April the 29th, has officially been pushed to mainnet. Now, this marks another step in the ever-growing reach that Commune AI will eventually accomplish. Now, this integration allows Commune AI to be utilized in many more interesting ways now that it's within the Solana ecosystem. This also comes with the added benefit of having extremely low transaction costs when compared to other chains such as Bitcoin or ETH. Now, in other recent news, we had another AMA session. This session was called Commune AI, What's Next? And that was on April the 25th. We're covering what's coming next following the DAO Governance and the Human Consensus Protocol updates, and the community sat down with fam and discussed some really exciting topics that are coming on the horizon. Some of which include the implementation of dynamic tokens, not just on a subnet level, but all the way down to a module level. There were also discussions surrounding storage and subspace subnets, and also a module protocol that will allow users to browse all the modules. A large portion of the discussion was also centered around the idea of early staking incentives, boosting APY yields for people who are early supporters of successful Commune AI projects. Now, this would incentivize and support new and upcoming developers and their projects. fantastic. There are so many pathways for Commune AI to take now, and these AMAs are a perfect way to understand where the developers and the community are turning their attention. Alongside, we're providing a really good opportunity for the community to engage directly with key development figures. For a full breakdown, make sure you take a look at the AMA video, and the link is also in the description. Well, that's it for today's news. Don't forget to join Commune AI's Discord and to join in on the different events that are going on. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on a lot of stuff. There's a lot of really cool things happening. All right, until next time, peace.